Hey everybody, this is my third attempt at a video because apparently my audio didn't work on the first and I did something incorrect on the second. Um, go tech failures. Wanted to reach out with another message and tell you all that I'm thinking about you still. It's been great reading your exchanges on the blogs. Your responses have been super smart and incisive, and your exchanges with each other have been really great. They've made me smile. I love seeing y'all talk so intelligently and passionately about literature. So here's what we have coming up this week. The second module is exactly like the first in that you're going to pick another one of those. If you had a choice of 3 short stories that were connected to your preferred author, you're going to read one of the other 2. So you're going to stay within that same grouping. And this is going to be important that you do that for the third module. But for this one, this upcoming one, you're to do another longer blog response and then also reply to a few of your classmates, just like you've been doing. I've been trying to get on and respond to, but don't worry, I'm reading all of them, and I really, like I said, they're no substitute for our great in-class discussions, but they take the edge off. The third module, which I will send out further instructions, is going to be almost like a timed paragraph. You're going to have an hour. I want you to set a timer to respond to a prompt that I'm going to give you. But there's really, sorry, my computer's about to die. There should be no anxiety, no fear. Don't worry about it. It's fine. You'll be perfectly able to do it and to do it well. Again, don't stress. Don't stress. The second thing I wanted to let y'all know, slightly more exciting, is that I'm going to be holding office hours starting this week. So an hour on Tuesday, an hour on Wednesday, an hour on Thursday. There's a sign-up sheet on Classroom for 15-minute periods. If we talk for a minute, great. If we talk for 15, wonderful. And I just wanted to connect with y'all, whether that's about the salvage papers I just returned. Parenthetically, I wrote very, very long endnotes, detailed endnotes, much longer than I typically do. I'm also going to scan and upload your actual papers, but it's just going to be margin notes, so I don't think it's as helpful. But anyway, in parentheses, talk about that, talk about the short story you've read, what you've liked, what you haven't liked, or if you just want to talk about a book that you've been reading and just want to chat with someone about it, I'm here. If you are out of the country in a different time zone, you have a virtual lesson plan during that time, you're taking care of siblings, what have you. If those times don't work, let me know. We will find a moment where we're both free. And for my international friends, if you're abroad and if that means I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to have a coffee and chat with you, I'm happy to do that. Just let me know. I hope you're being patient with yourselves, you're patient with your families. I just went for a very long walk with Joss. It's beautiful. It's Sunday. It's really, really nice outside. I've been cooking up a storm, making ribs tonight. I have been watching Netflix. I've been doing a lot of kind of small tasks, cleaning, just trying to take my mind off this isolation. And I hope you are being equally successful. I hope school isn't stressing you out, and I hope the modules are okay. And I hope to see some of you next week. So I will be in touch. I will upload the assignments, the assignment either tomorrow, Monday morning for the first module, and then later in the week for the second. And I will also send you another awkward video message soon. Okay. Bye, y'all.